Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. On the Ethereum chart here on the daily time frame, we're still dealing with a potentially bullish structure. What I don't like so much about this chart is that the move up from the 2022 low here is a diagonal pattern. We talked about that before. If you don't know about it, diagonal structures are really messy structures. They cannot really be trusted. They often form very deep pullbacks along the way. And often they adhere to price channels. They follow price channels. However, problematic is that this move to the upside isn't really following our yellow price channel anymore. Yes, there was a brief break of that channel in February, early in February. The price recovered, but now we have broken back below the lower boundary line of that price channel again. That definitely doesn't make this structure more trustworthy, rather the opposite. Also, if you compare the angle of the rally, the strength with the rally that happened after 2020, well, it is really, really different. And so it is this weakness that we've seen throughout the entire crypto cycle here and throughout this entire bull market that has really been, been standing out. We are getting concerned about Ethereum's strength. I mean, I've been highlighting that since, you could say, March last year, when the price formed here a top and then declined very strongly. At that point, at the latest, it became clear that the move up is certainly not an impulse. So, however, it can be that this wave 4 that presumably bottomed in August 2024 is still unfolding. That would be the yellow scenario. And it could be unfolding as an ABC structure. As long as we're holding $1,800, that would still be a reasonable scenario. What I don't like, as I said, is that we have broken out of the channel to the downside. We can still get another high. Another scenario might be that this wave 4 is forming as a triangle. A, B, C, D, E. Then we go up. So these triangles are quite common in fourth waves. Too early to really say this is what's playing out, but definitely something we should keep in mind. So at this stage, I'm still considering bullish scenarios for Ethereum. Could still reach a new all-time high. And if that is the case, I would pay attention to the area around $5,720. But we can calculate that more precisely once we have a confirmed low in place. At the moment, I'm simply watching here on the larger time frame the support area around $1,790 to $2,098. Now I would say let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Here on the smaller time frame, you can see price action from the February low. We have an initial rally and a pullback. This is what I would call a potential 1-2 setup. So in the white scenario I just showed you, it is absolutely possible that the B wave of already an unfolding fifth wave to the upside, so that this fifth wave is already unfolding, yeah. And what you see here on the smaller time frame is this B wave low. So it might have bottomed there. In that case, then, this was the first rally of the next move up. This here currently is the corrective pullback. Again, you see how many difficulties the price has to form support there. It is possible that we get maybe one more low. The support area I communicated in the last videos with key support at $2,270 is still holding. So from that point of view, that white scenario, that directly bullish scenario is still valid. However, any break below $2,270 will make it more likely that this structure invalidates, and the invalidation point is located at $2,124. So it's this swing low from the 3rd of February. At that point, when that happens, I will watch primarily for a wider wave 4 correction with key support around $1,800, as I just showed you on the larger time frame. At the moment, the price is probably still working on this decline, this C wave to the downside that started on the 23rd of February, and it might get one more low. So one more low is fine, but any more than that, any more downside will clearly challenge the white scenario. So immediate resistance is at 2,585. Any break above that level could indicate that a low is already in. So what it means is, as long as we're holding above the red line, the white scenario is possible and could send us directly to a new all-time high, but there is no confirmed low yet. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.